Did you know I built this application in just 5 minutes? Hello everyone, Nisam here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an application using ChatGPT and Lovable.dev. By the way, one of our subscribers asked me to build this inventory app to help organize shopping, whether it's for food, clothes, or other items. First, we'll begin by heading over to ChatGPT. However, instead of using ChatGPT directly, I'll use Prompt Maker to generate a professional prompt for Lovable.dev. As you can see, I've written a simple prompt, and I'll click Send. In a few seconds, Prompt Maker will provide me with a detailed prompt. Next, our second step is to jump over to Lovable.dev to create our application. But before we proceed, I will share all the prompts and the application with you. So don't forget to like, share this video, and comment below if you want your ideas to be chosen for future app builds. Once you've copied the prompt, go to Lovable.dev, create an account. It's really easy. As you can see, the prompt is very detailed and contains all the necessary features. Click Send and watch your application being built. It only takes a few minutes and boom, you get this amazing web tool with a clean, modern design. Let me show you an example. I'll click on the food category and it opens a new page where we can see an item listed like milk. Now let's add a new item to test the web tool. I'll add chocolate as the new item. Simply enter the item name, add a description if you want, choose the quantity, and click Add Item. As you can see, the item is successfully added. As a final touch, I'll add an image. You can either download one from Google or upload one from your device. Then click Update Item. The web tool works perfectly. Next, I'll ask Lovable.dev to add dark mode, make the app visually appealing, and change the icon colors. Let's see what we get. With these tools, you can build any application you want. Just come up with the idea and let AI build it for you in minutes. As you can see, dark mode has been added and we can easily switch between light and dark modes. The web tool looks stunning. Let's now test the dark mode in different categories. As expected, it works flawlessly. I really like how clean this dark mode is. Now let's publish the web tool. Click Publish and then click Publish again. Wait a few seconds and congratulations, your web tool is now live. The final step is to convert this web tool into an Android and iOS application. Head over to Web into App, but don't forget to copy the link of your web tool. Once in your Web into App account, click on Maker. Paste your web tool link, then enter your app name. For me, I'll name it Smart Inventory. I'll also upload an icon I downloaded from Flaticon. You can design your own icon using Adobe Illustrator, but if you're feeling lazy, I'll leave the Flaticon link in the description. After that, for the company name, write whatever you like. I'll use Nisam. Then click Next. Here you have two options. You can create an Android application for free, but if you want an iOS version, there's a one-time fee. It's entirely up to you whether you want to pay for it. Now click Make App, wait a few seconds, and your application will be ready. Click the cloud icon to download your application, then click Download Free, and finally, download all files. Let's test the app on my Android device. As you can see, the app design is sleek and modern, and the animations are really smooth. Both the light and dark modes work perfectly. Let's add another item to ensure everything functions well, and as you can see, the app works flawlessly for everyday use. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment with your feedback on the app. I also invite you to visit and sign up on our AI tools directory, adizer.com, where you can find all the AI tools we use and the best AI tools in the world. Peace, guys.